What a view from round here. We couldn't see this last night, obviously, but you can see the top's all there covered in snow. And the top's all up there covered in snow. And pretty much, yes, it is in the middle of a residential, semi-industrial area. But it was comfortable. It was fairly reasonably quiet. And it did well for the night. I don't think many people paid because that meter's down, but I went across there and paid on the other meter. It says it's £5 for 24 hours, so I paid the £5. And then there's no issues then. Didn't want to wake up to a ticket this morning. But, hello, is it Robot? Which Robot's on holiday with us?
That's correct.
Holiday Robot.
Yeah.
That's a good one, isn't it? Beast of the East. So yeah, oh, there's a nice Scottish flag up there on the hillside. You can just see it up there. So we're going to head into the hills today. I'm going to nip over to Lidl and get a couple more supplies, just some more water and a couple of bits. And then we're off up, aren't we? We'll probably head up into the Cairngorms and find some snow for Maximus to have a play in. We brought his scooter this time and we brought the sled, so all will be good. I don't think we're going to look around Fort William, are we? We're a bit later than expected. We just let the worst of the weather pass across.
It's in Robot on top of the ticket machine.
Excuse me, Robot. What are you doing up there, Robot?
Right, come on, Freya. In we go. Freya, come on.
We'll catch you on the road. Yes, a lot came down last night then, hasn't there? Excuse me, no snowballs on me, please. Uh-oh. Here he comes with the snowballs.
Do you think we go up that way?
Well, I don't know. Just follow it down for now and we'll just explore a little, hey?
We'll
go down and then we'll go up.
I can hear it.
Oh yeah, I could see it from the road, the big bottom fall. Oh, there's a fallen tree here.
Yeah, we might be better going up. Ooh. Yeah, let's go up.
Well, we'll have to go up to start off with then.
Come on, where are you going?
We're going up now. Just be careful, he might be slippy. Watch out for the big crack.
Go on, Freya, you know the way. Up the hill.
Where are we?
Patak Falls.
Maximus Taylor.
I can hear them. This way.
Oh, that looks like a viewpoint. Squelchy. Oh. Oh, wow.
Look at that. Come here, next to me. Can't go near the edge. That's as close as you can go. Wow. Look at that. Come this way.
Someone's lost the belt. Father Christmas. careful.
That way. Yeah. Come on.
What do you think? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Are they big then, waterfalls?
Wow. Look at that.
Well, that's one close to the road, isn't it? I love that tree there with its moss.
Yeah.
This moss is growing everywhere.
One near the van where we parked.
Is it moss or lichen?
Subscribe.
Wow.
Yeah, I want to come here and have a look. It's lovely. Look at that.
I bet you there's some big stuff if you go right the way up.
Aye, we can't go right the way.
No, not today. It's very pretty though, isn't
Absolutely spectacular.
it? Filming Maximus starting the van. Well, that was a nice little spot, wasn't it?
It was lovely.
I'd like to come back here one day and explore all up that pathway.
Yeah, it'd be good.
And
See what's going on. There was a tree
on.
farm as well on the lower bit, wasn't there, on the lower
I
path?
think that only takes you down to the viewpoint for the bottom fall,
Right.
which is the one that you see from the road there. But that pathway up looks like it could lead to more, doesn't it? So that'd be a nice one to come and have a
Attack Falls.
photography walk.
A photography
A
walk.
photography walk.
Yeah, Attack Falls.
I'm just checking Shell's not lost her muff again.
I've got my muffs firmly on, thanks.
She dropped it before it got all wet and dirty.
Scraggy muff.
It was definitely a bit of a scraggy muff. I had to give it a clean and then blow dry it.
Right.
Let's get going. Wow, it's cold up here, so I'll make it quick. We came up to the Cairngorms motorhome park. We were going to have a play in the snow, but the wind has been bitterly cold and the rain came in. It's gone off now a little bit, but it's still cold and it's starting to go dark now, so the temperature's dropping quicker. It's absolutely beautiful up here, just stunning. I would imagine that'll be having more, will it, back down there? And you can see the ski centre running up and over the top there. You can just see the lift going up and over the top. But yeah, I don't think we're going to spend the night up here. I think we're going to go back down for tonight and just park up a bit further down, because if those 80-kilometre winds do hit, it's going to be really, really cold. Now there are some people up there having a play now that the wind's gone. But I think we'll come back up tomorrow. It's supposed to be nice tomorrow, clear skies, and the temperature isn't going to be as low. So I think we're going to go down now and just park up, have some tea and chill out for tonight, and hopefully we'll have a day tomorrow, and then Saturday fresh snow's supposed to arrive. So fingers crossed for that, because he's never seen big snow and we want him to see big snow really, because it's nice, isn't it? It's fun. But yeah, it's absolutely stunning up here, and even though it does seem to have settled down a little bit now, I don't think it's going to stay that way. So off we go.